Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix temporarily restricted Twitter. So let's get started. So if your Twitter account or your X account is temporarily restricted and you want to fix that, so to fix that what you can do is just first of all check if you have a stable internet connection. And after checking that you have a stable internet connection, what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and in search bar you can search for X. After searching for X, you should find your Twitter or X application. What you can do is just simply open it and then check if you have an update. So after checking that, if you do have an update, what you can do is just simply update your application, and after updating it, you should fix your problem. But if that does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply head over to your X application and just tap and hold on your X application, and you should find this eye icon which is app info. So just tap on that option, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on storage and cache and then clear your cache, and by clearing your cache you will fix any issues or bugs that were in your Twitter. So after doing this, now what you can do is just tap on advanced and then scroll down, and over here you will find this option which is open by default. So just tap on open by default, and after tapping on open by default, now you have to tap on this first option which is open supported links, and then make sure that you allow it. So if it's not allowed, just simply turn that option on or just simply tap on allow, and that should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix temporarily restricted Twitter. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.